In every bull cycle, there comes a moment when the market suddenly shifts its attention. When the charts start glowing, the rumors start spreading, and everyone starts whispering about a single name. Right now, that name is X402, and if you've been watching closely, you've probably seen it too. A quiet token that suddenly came alive. A project few people knew about, now exploding across the market with unstoppable momentum. So what's happening? Why is X402 pumping so hard? And what's really going on behind the scenes? This isn't one of those random meme coin explosions. This one feels different, like something brewing deep in the infrastructure of crypto itself. X402 didn't just appear out of thin air. It came from one of the most powerful players in the industry, Coinbase. And the story behind it begins with something that's been hiding in plain sight since the dawn of the internet. Coinbase took that forgotten piece of internet history and turned it into something revolutionary, the X402 protocol, a system designed for real-time on-chain micropayments. It's a way for machines, apps, and AI agents to pay each other instantly, without subscriptions, without middlemen, without friction. Every API call, every AI-generated response, every digital interaction can now carry a small payment attached, automatic, transparent, and decentralized. In short, X402 makes it possible for the internet to finally pay itself. And that's where the hype began, because the timing couldn't have been more perfect. Artificial intelligence is exploding. Decentralized tech is maturing. Everyone is talking about autonomous agents, digital entities that can work, think, and trade on their own. But there's been one missing piece. How do these agents exchange value? How do they pay each other? X402 just gave the answer. It created a financial language for machines, and the market noticed. Even so, it's hard not to feel like something historic is starting here. The X402 concept taps into something bigger than just one token. It's the beginning of a new financial layer for the digital world. A system where data, AI, and blockchain all converge into one self-sustaining economy. Machines that don't just think, they earn. Programs that don't just run, they transact. And investors who understand this early could be standing at the doorway of a brand new era in crypto. So yes, X402 is pumping. But it's not just a pump, it's a signal. A glimpse into the next chapter of the internet, one powered by intelligent payments, frictionless transactions, and automated value exchange. Whether this surge turns into a long-term revolution or just a temporary flash depends on how the story unfolds from here. But one thing is certain, the eyes of the entire crypto world are now watching. Because the 404 error may have defined the internet's past. But 402? That number might just define its future. Now, let's get into the full details of X402 coin. X402 is a new open standard payment protocol developed by Coinbase. It's based on an old but rarely used web feature, the HTTP status code 402, payment required. Originally defined decades ago, HTTP 402 was meant for online payments, but it was never widely adopted until now. Coinbase X402 brings this idea to life by allowing websites, APIs, and AI agents to request payments directly over the standard Internet Protocol, HTTP. In simple terms, when you request something online, the server can respond, "This content costs 1 cent. Pay first." Once you pay using your crypto wallet, like USDC, access is instantly granted. No signups, no subscriptions, just native blockchain-powered payments built into the web itself. Let's walk through a simple example to understand how X402 functions. 1. You request a digital resource, for example, a dataset or an AI model output. 2. The server replies with a 402 payment required message, telling you how much to pay, where to send the payment, the wallet address, and what token is accepted, e.g. USDC on Base or Ethereum. 3. You send the payment using your wallet or an automated agent. 4. After the blockchain confirms the payment, you re-request the same resource, but this time, you include your payment proof, such as an X payment header. 5. The server verifies that the payment was received and delivers the resource. This whole process can take seconds, not minutes, perfect for microtransactions or automated AI-to-AI interactions. Traditional online payments were built for people, not for machines. But the future of the internet is shifting toward autonomous services, AI agents, and on-demand resources. For example, an AI assistant could pay 5 cents to access a premium language model. A web app could charge per API call instead of requiring monthly subscriptions. A data provider could sell access to a single dataset for $1. X402 enables all of these possibilities by allowing instant crypto micropayments over standard web protocols. 1. Micropayment support enables transactions as small as a few cents, ideal for per-use models. 2. No sign-up needed. Users or AI agents can pay directly from their wallet. No registration or KYC required. 3. Fast settlement. Payments confirm on-chain within seconds. 4. Cross-chain compatible. Works with multiple blockchains and stablecoins, USDC, ETH, etc. 5. AI-friendly design. Built for machine-to-machine payments and automated services. 6. Lightweight integration. Developers can easily add it to any website or API using simple middleware.